In a baffling twist of events, the world has remained surprisingly silent about this remarkable side hustle opportunity. Brace yourself, for I shall now reveal one of the simplest and most lucrative ways to harness the power of ChatGPT, an AI technology to earn money online as an absolute beginner in the year 2023. First and foremost, let us embark on a journey to a website known as kel.com. Picture this. Kel.com is an enchanting graphic design tool adorned with an extensive collection of hundreds of thousands of mesmerizing templates. Traditionally, these awe-inspiring designs would require an extraordinary mastery of graphic design skills. However, a paradigm shift has occurred, enabling anyone, regardless of experience, to effortlessly customize these templates and utilize them to generate income online. Now, what makes kel.com even more extraordinary is its integration of AI technology. Prepare to be captivated as you explore this platform. Head over to Kel, create an account, and click on New Project. A brand new realm of possibilities will open up before your eyes. Before delving into the realm of earning money online using these templates, allow me to introduce you to the transformative power of GPT. It's time to unlock the potential of this free AI tool. Take a moment to sign up for GPT, free of charge. Yes, you read that correctly, no payment required. Once you've registered, make a request for the best in any genre, be it romance, business, history, or even fishing or gaming. For illustration purposes, let's choose the best 10 romance books. Prepare yourself for a list of hand-picked recommendations, carefully curated by GPT. Although you may not read these books yourself, they will serve as the foundation of your online money-making endeavor. Now, your task is to determine whether the books recommended by GPT are available on Audible, the renowned platform for audiobooks. Unveil the truth by investigating each title and author, ensuring their Audible existence. As your quest unfolds, you may discover an Audible gem hidden within the vast library of literature. For instance, Jane Austen's masterpiece has been embraced by Audible. Keep exploring the other titles. They may harbor potential as well. Alas, not every book will find its place in the auditory realm, but fear not, for possibilities still abound. Test the availability of each book provided by GPT, regardless of genre. Cast your net wide. History, business, fishing, gaming, there are no boundaries. Let's take one of these books as an example. Once again, copy the title and the author's name. Now, journey back to GPT and request a 2,000-word summary of the chosen book. With anticipation, await the magic that unfolds before your eyes. Witness as GPT weaves together an entire 2,000-word summary, an article that materializes in a matter of seconds. Copy this literary marvel with a simple press of a button. Returning to Kel, click on the captivating button labeled Kai. Behold the wonders of AI technology at your fingertips. Describe your desires, and Kai will manifest them in image form. Retrieve the details from GPT's generated paragraphs, selecting the most intriguing fragments. Enter the realm of Kittle and witness as it breathes life into your prompts. With each paragraph, a unique AI image materializes, ready to enchant your readers. Embrace the power of customization, adjusting and enhancing the designs to your heart's content. The resulting amalgamation of GPT-generated summaries and Kittle-crafted images will leave your readers spellbound. A tinge of mystery, a touch of the inexplicable, these elements will pique their curiosity, drawing them deeper into the story. Add headlines, insert additional designs, and let your creativity run wild. Embrace the allure of AI-generated imagery, as your words dance in harmony with captivating visuals. For now, let us focus on generating the image and downloading it to your computer. You've selected the digital use option, and the image is yours to treasure. However, this is only the beginning of your artistic odyssey. Each paragraph merits a distinct image, captivating readers at every turn. By embedding diverse visuals within your article, engagement levels soar. Readers will linger, immersing themselves in the tapestry you've woven, while you reap the rewards, increased clicks and amplified online earnings. But we are not done yet. Prepare to venture into the realm of Audible's affiliate program. Imagine earning $5 for every individual who creates a free account through your referral link. Astonishingly, these account holders can luxuriate in the bliss of receiving not one, but 2 free books. And with their continued patronage, another $10 flows into your coffers. Fear not, for you need not sell anything to amass wealth through this method. Behold the beauty of generosity, for you shall offer the discovered book as a gift, earning $5 for each grateful recipient. Embark on this path by creating an account with Audible's affiliate program. As an affiliate, copy the entire article generated by GPT. Venture forth to Medium.com, a bustling platform that beckons over 100 million visitors each month. A treasure trove of potential traffic awaits. Create an account, embrace the call to write, and offer the world a summary of the book's essence. Paste the GPT-generated masterpiece, preceded by the phrase, summary of, and followed by the book's title and author. Prepare yourself, for the journey has only just begun. Intertwine your narrative with Kittle's visual marvels. Embed an image below each paragraph, as diverse as the threads of a tapestry. Engage your readers, enrich their experience, and watch as their attention deepens. Amplify the allure by inserting a compelling call to action, enticing them to get the book for free here. Emphasize this invitation, highlighting it boldly to captivate wandering eyes. Integrate your Audible affiliate link, granting readers access to the coveted treasure of free literature. As they explore your masterpiece, entice them to click, and the alchemy of earnings will be set in motion. Ensure your call to action resonates, strategically placing it throughout the article. Let no reader slip through your grasp, beckon them repeatedly. And when the finale arrives, one last call to action will seal the deal. Remember, the path to success lies in publishing multiple articles, not a solitary endeavor. Aim to release 10, 15, or even 20 articles each day, harnessing the powers of Google, and captivating the attention of readers far and wide. As clicks accumulate and income flows, the true potential of this ChatGPT side hustle shall be revealed. If you yearn to unravel the secrets of my personal online money-making methods, a tantalizing second link awaits your click in the description below. Embark on a journey to the Online Business Academy, where expertise spans various niches. From social media marketing to drop servicing, drop shipping, and even YouTube automation, knowledge awaits. Immerse yourself in live masterminds and global events, connecting with me and fellow entrepreneurs across the globe. Embrace the power of knowledge, for it is a key that unlocks the doors to prosperity. May this tutorial serve as a beacon of enlightenment. Whether you seek to build an online empire or simply wish to taste the fruits of online entrepreneurship, may this path pave the way to your success. As you embark on this ChatGPT adventure, remember that the world is your canvas, waiting to be painted with words, images, and boundless creativity.